In this course, we're going to be focusing on two things: creating authentication and also applying the foundation of full stack React. The structure of this course involves segments. We'll first start with user authentication basics, which involves introduction to user auth, use cases, and auth strategic classes. We'll then move to setting up the project. It's setting up the server side and also setting up the client side. We'll then go to adding user authentication to the full stack main app. We all know what main means. This involves the private routes, JSON Web Token, sign in and sign out, and also sign up. The fourth section involves email verification. We look into helper functions, email validation, email uniqueness. The fifth section involves password reset. And this section will talk about password salt using Bigquery's JavaScript library. In the sixth stage, we go to oAuth integration, which is Google login, create new users, oAuth URL, successful oAuth authentication. I will also have results to display to the user on each query. The seventh section involves pre-built auth providers. We integrate AWS to the project. We write endpoints, Amazon Cognito bases. The last section are best practices for authentication, which involves caching and securing your database.